Stracco from Speak for Yourself, and this is our Introducing an AAC App Day by Day series, and this is day 3. Today we are going to talk about the importance of dedicating your iPad to communication. So making sure that you have an iPad that isn't used for anything else besides the child's AAC app. So what we're going to show you today is how to lock the app and also lock it into guided access. So if you go into your settings, and you go down here to accessibility, what you're going to do is scroll down and find guided access, and you see I have mine turned on already. So you want to make sure that you have that turned on, and then you also want to turn the accessibility shortcut on. That's going to let you triple click in order to turn guided access on and off. So you want to make sure that you have both of those things on. Set a passcode that's easy to remember, that you're going to be able to know and enter in, write it down somewhere. You probably want to do that somewhere where your child or the user can't see it. I always put all ones for my guided access passcodes, but if you have a child who's a little bit better with passwords, then you might want to make it a little bit more difficult. So once you have that on, what you're going to do is you're going to go into Speak for Yourself, and remember we had customized the vocabulary that was showing yesterday. So you have that. If you notice along the top of Speak for Yourself here, it's purple. So you see the little lock icon up here in the upper right hand corner. What you want to do to lock that out so that nobody else can go in and edit it and your child can't change any of the programming that you do once you do that, you want to touch this little lock button, and it's going to say this is going to lock your programming. So you're going to touch that. Now you see that it changed, and now you have some of the features up there that you learned about in the video on day 1, but you don't have any of the editing capabilities. Once you do that, if you touch the home button, it's going to get you out of the app. But because you turned on guided access, if you triple click the home button, so you click that 3 times, you see it says guided access started. So now if I touch the home button, it gives me this warning at the top that says guided access is enabled, and then it tells me to triple click to exit. So you want to make sure that you have that on. Just an important thing to remember, if your iPad battery dies, it's going to kick you out of guided access, so it's not going to just open up to the app. But the nice thing about that is that if your iPad screen times out, if you touch the home button, it's going to bring you right back to the app. Now to exit guided access and unlock the app, you want to triple click this home button again. It's going to tell you to enter your passcode. So as I said, mine's all ones, no big secret there. And then you're going to hit end up in the top left-hand corner. So now you're out of guided access and you can exit. To unlock Speak for Yourself, let's pretend you wanted to edit something or you wanted to go into the settings for some reason, you're going to scroll down to Speak for Yourself and you're going to enable programming. So you see right here, you're going to turn that back on, and that's going to unlock the app for editing. So now when you go back in, you'll notice that the top is purple again and you have all of your editing functions. The other thing that you're going to do today, now that you know how to dedicate your iPad as a communication device, is you're going to start the AAC Learning to Speak action plan, and you're going to start day 1. So if you go in here to this little daisy setting, you can access it from there right under I need an action plan. So if you touch that, this actually gives you what to do each day. So today you're going to find and open the first 5 words, and those words are eat, drink, stop, go, and more. So what you want to do is you want to open those words on your device and make sure that you know where they are. If you're not sure, you can use the search feature on the upper left-hand corner. So if you didn't know where go was, you could touch that, and it's going to highlight it for you and show you that this is how you say go.
Go.
So that's what you want to do today, and get started and get a little bit familiar with those words. Thank you so much. Hope that helps.